Hi there, Walt with Rocketgraph here, and this is the next in our 2-minute tutorial series. Very often we get asked, how do I ingest relational data from a database into Rocketgraph? That's the purpose of today's 2-minute tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do that. What you see on mission control here is I have a very simple graph created from Netflix data. It has 2 nodes and 1 edge. It has actors show and it has an edge connecting them, which is acted in. I'm going to load this data. First of all, as you know, it's schema first, so I had to have that created to load. Once you've done that, it's very straightforward stuff. So this is the upload page. We're going to specify some things here in a moment. Before we do that, we're going to verify that we've actually got a connection to the database. So let's go over to the settings page here and have a look. So if you go to the settings page and scroll down to database connections, okay, this is where you would do this. So I did this earlier. I gave my connection a name. I specified a connection string, straight standard connection string stuff. My server is a little wonky because I'm using Rocketgraph in the Docker instance, and I had to get external to localhost. That's it. When you want to try it, you click the test button, and the little green check says it works just fine. So for an upload, what we do is we can paste the queries, specify the target frames, and go. I'm going to do one here, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's fully baked. So right now, the destination frame is acted in. I'm going to change the header mode to normal, and I'm going to paste my query. This is a straight query from the database. I did a little bit of engineering in the database in the Postgres instance before I ran this tutorial. So it's a very simple select. Once I do this, I add this query, and it's there. Now, we're going to load the whole graph right now. This is another instance of mission control. And what I've done here is I've added the 3 queries that are going to load the 3 objects in the graph. I've got one for the edge. I've got one for each node. I'm going to upload that now. Let's verify that we have the data we need. We have 8,800 shows, and we have about just under 40,000 actors, and we have just under 100,000 connections. Those are the right numbers. I verified that earlier. So that concludes this tutorial, and thank you for your time.